All right, time to take a look at the Fanwer metal dressing stick with shoehorn. So one thing that I really like, these are surprisingly big threads. Like most of the time, if you're gonna be using a bolt like this, it's gonna be something like a 3/8. This is almost a 1/2 inch. So that's interesting. This rubber can kind of slide up and down, but you can use that to really get some torque on there. And here is the shoehorn. So very nice polished surface on both sides. So we don't have to worry about scratching our heels or our shoes. And this is definitely steel. This is a heavy duty piece of metal right here. So I'll just thread that into one side. Doesn't matter which side. They are both threaded the same. Okay. Now I guess what this does mean is if we wanted to, we could just use this thing as half size. So if this is too long for us, and I think for me, I'm going to keep it at this length. But if you wanted to, you could make this half size. And then here is the hook. So again, we got that threaded piece that'll thread into the other side. But what I want to point out here is that they have this rubber cap. Feels like a silicone. So that's going to be nice if you're worried about what it is that you're going to be hooking onto with this. Then this cap will help to protect it. But on the other side, it's really not a sharp point or anything like that. So this is going to give you a nice loop that you can use to grab on and kind of pull on. And it also has this right here, which is great because it's going to help to put some distance between the material and your skin. So you can get your finger in there and pop this thing out. So that's nice. This is a very cool design. It's got it on both sides too. So we'll put that on the other side. Okay. So this is the final device. We got our dressing stick on one side, so we got our two hooks. One of them's got that soft tip. So this is going to be mostly for pulling. As you can see, it's hooked this way. And then this one is going to be for pushing. So if you want to help like get your sock off or something like that, you can kind of hook that and pull your sock off with that. This is your shoehorn. So typically what you're going to do is you're going to stick this under the tongue. And you're going to lift that up. You're going to use that to get your foot in. And then you're going to circle it around. And you can use this to guide your foot down so that you're not crushing the back or the heel of your shoe. So that is fantastic. These things are great. Especially if you got high top shoes like this. These things are a must have. So yeah, overall, that is a great tool.